In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDFs in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll want to open up the OneNote app. It's available online or as a desktop application, so choose whichever version you're more comfortable with. If you haven't installed the app yet, head over to OneNote's official website and download it. Once you have OneNote up and running, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. Logging in allows you to access all your notebooks stored in the cloud, making them accessible from any device. Now, once you're inside OneNote, the next thing you want to do is click on My Notebooks. This is usually found on the left side of your screen. Clicking here will open up a list of all the notebooks you have saved. Take your time to scroll through and find the notebook you want to work with. If you're planning to create a new notebook specifically for editing PDFs, simply select Add Notebook and get started with a fresh workspace. After selecting the appropriate notebook, your next step is to navigate to the Insert tab located in the toolbar. Clicking Insert opens a variety of options for adding content to your page. This feature is quite handy as OneNote allows you to insert all sorts of media, from images to audio clips. Once you're in the Insert menu, you need to select File. This will prompt a dialog box to appear, giving you the option to upload files from your device. Locate the PDF you wish to edit and select it. Clearly, OneNote doesn't have native PDF editing capabilities like dedicated software would. Instead, it imports these files into your notebook. After you've inserted the file, select File Printout from the same menu. This option enables OneNote to convert the pages of your PDF into images, which are then embedded directly into your notebook pages. OneNote snapshots each page of your PDF and places them individually onto your canvas. One of OneNote's strengths is that it allows you to add notes, highlights or sketches directly over these images. Use the drawing tools to add annotations, or click the text tool to type in your notes. Though this doesn't alter the original PDF file, it allows you to overlay your comments or adjustments right on top of your document. It's a perfect solution for educational purposes, collaborative projects, or when sharing feedback with others. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted a PDF into OneNote and can now add your annotations. Be sure to explore all the annotation tools OneNote offers to elevate your document editing skills. Thanks for watching and happy annotating.